Hey everyone, it's Donna from Donna's Corn-Free Cooking again. And today what I'm going to share with you is another recipe that you can make up and make up at least a month's supply, and it'll keep in your cabinet. Now, I love pancakes, and as I've already told you that if you're going to use syrups, you need to use pure syrups. Like I always use pure maple syrup, but I missed having pancakes when we'd go out to eat. That was one of the things I would look at it on the menu, and I would just say there's no possible way, because generally what they make up has been prepackaged and they all have corn products, and what you buy in the store is the same way. Everything has to have corn in it. So what I have done, I started making my own little recipe, and it works. So you can make up a batch to last you a month. But today what I'm going to do, I've already got part of it done. So I'm going to show you how I do it individually for each meal. So what we're going to begin with, I've got my bowl here. I've got 1 cup flour. I'll put that in. And I'm adding to it another ½ cup of flour. So when I make pancakes just for one meal, I generally use 1½ cups of flour. And as I've said before, if you're afraid of the bleached, because you might have corn, go ahead and use the unbleached. Now to this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pure cane sugar. And put that in. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Donna's corn-free baking powder that I make with the potato starch and baking soda. So I put that in, and then 1 teaspoon of salt, sea salt, no other kind. And then I take my wire whip and I just mix it around like that to get it all incorporated really well. Then I have my jar here, and I've already got 3 meals in this jar. So now I'm going to add this 4th one, and then I'll be set. So I just take it, and I love this little thing. I got it for canning, but it does come in handy for so many things to keep from spilling out. So we're going to get all this in there. Try and use this one now. And there's just enough in there to pour it now without spilling. Okay. And there you go. I've got enough pancake mix made up for a whole month. So I will have this recipe down in the description, and I hope that you'll try it and enjoy it and see that your pancakes can be just as good as what you get in the store. Now to this, when you're ready to make it, what I add to it is 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 1 egg, and 1½ cups of the mix, and then I use anywhere up to a cup of milk, or I love buttermilk. And buttermilk you usually have to use about 1 cup to 1.5 cups. So it's just up to you, your judgment as to how thin you want your pancakes or how thick. So it will be down in the description for you, and I hope you'll try this and leave me a comment and let me know how it goes. So until the next time, we'll see you later. Bye.